Okay, here we have the Consew 7360R-7DD. The machine is already on. And we press the P key and hold it.
Parameter mode.
Hold.
Please enter a password.
Here we will need to enter 1 by using the plus key.
Numeral plus.
Move the cursor.
Move cursor rightward.
Plus.
Numeral plus.
The cursor.
Move cursor rightward.
Plus.
Numeral plus.
Cursor.
Move cursor rightward.
Plus.
Numeral plus.
Now we have to save it, and it goes into service parameter mode.
Technician parameter mode.
Okay, technician parameter mode. Here, to change how long the presser foot stays up, we have to push the plus key and go to P49.
Numeral plus. Numeral
P49. At this time, it's set at 4, factory default. Press the S key.
Confirmation.
Move this to 20, which will be about 20 seconds. Or if you want to go to 30, you can.
Numeral plus.
Push the S key to save.
Save.
Push the P key.
Free sewing.
You're back to standard sewing. Now the presser foot will stay up longer.